Good morning, kids. How are you? Today, in this session, we are going to teach you comparison about concept of big and small, long and short. What I am going to teach you? Concept of big and small, long and short. You are seeing there here is two teddy bears are here. Two teddy bears are here. One is big and one is small. ये बड़ा है और ये क्या है? छोटा है. क्या है? छोटा है. ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. Again, between and the concept of long and short. Here is one pen, okay, and here is one cap, okay. Here you are seeing that in these two, this one is long and this one is short. ये लंबा है, ये छोटा है. Here two teddy bear, this one is big. ये क्या है? बड़ा है. ये क्या है? छोटा है. Two pen is here. This one is long and this one is short. Now tell me one thing, that this is also a pen and this one is cap. Tell me which one is long and which one is short. This one is long, this one is short. Now here is one whitener and one cap. Tell me which one is long and which one is short. Tell me which one is long and which one is short. This one is long or this one is long. No. This one is long. This one is short. Now I am going to teach you about the concept of big and small. Here you are seeing two balls are here. दो बॉल है यहाँ पर. दोनों बॉल ही है. You all are seeing two, both of is ball, but what is the difference? क्या डिफरेंस है? दिस वन इज बिग बॉल एंड दिस वन इज स्मॉल बॉल. ये बड़ा बॉल है और ये छोटा बॉल है. हेयर यू आर सीइंग टू कैंडीज. दोनों कैंडी है. एक ये कैंडी और एक ये कैंडी. दोनों कैंडी है. पर दोनों को तो हम खाएंगे ही. बट what about this and what about this? This one is big candy. This one is small candy. ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. Now move to this space. Here you are seeing two cups. दो कप है. Both of are cup. But what is about this cup and what about this cup? This one is what? This one is. This one is bigger one. This one is smaller one. Now you are seeing आइसक्रीम है. क्या आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे दो आइसक्रीम है? दिख रहा है आपको? यू ऑल आर सीइंग ना, टू आइसक्रीम आर हियर. You all love ice cream, no? I think that you all love ice cream. I also love ice cream. But right now I am not eating. You all are eating? No. अभी I am not eating ice cream. क्योंकि बाहर नहीं जा रहे ना, तो आइसक्रीम भी नहीं खा रहे. Now, what about these two? ये खाओगे या ये खाओगे? मुझे लगता है आप लोग ये खाओगे. क्यों खाओगे? ये तो बताओ क्यों खाओगे? कोई तो रीज़न होगा. बिकॉज दिस वन इज़ बिगर वन एंड दिस वन इज़ स्मॉलर वन. और जो टेस्टी होगा वो ज़्यादा खाएंगे ना. दिस वन इज़ बिगर वन एंड दिस वन इज स्मॉलर वन. वेरी गुड. नाउ आई मूव टू दिस पेज. Now I am going to give you concept regarding long and short. What I am going to give you concept regarding long and short. Here you are seeing that there is two wooden log. दो wood है. ठीक है, wooden log है. Both of the wooden log. But what about this log and what about this log? ये this one is long and this one is short. ये लंबा है, ये छोटा है. This one is long and this one is short. Here is what? Two pencil. I have taught you ना. about long and short? This one is, what about this one? Both. This one is long and this one is short. Same thing. This one is long and this one is short. Now here you are seeing two pencils. This one is. What about both one? Can you tell me about these two things? Two pencil. Oh ma'am, this one is long and this one is short. Here you are seeing, क्या देख रहे हो? रस्सी. कौन लंबा है? ये लंबा है. No 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 no. ये लंबा है ना? This one is long. You all understand about big and small, long and short? Now I am going to teach you our chapter. First chapter, big and small. Here you are seeing some images are here. You all are seeing ना? बहुत सारा इमेज बना हुआ है. पेड़ है, डॉग है, बॉल है, and what houses, flowers, and birds. Many things are here. And what we have to do? We have to find out big and small. What we have to do? We have to find out big and small. Very easy. क्या पता करना है? कौन big है और कौन small है? अब हम लोग पता करना शुरू करते हैं. क्या? What we have to find out? Big and small. First of all, start from these birds. Two birds you all are seeing. This one is what? Small. And this one is big. You all are seeing here two houses. This one is big house. This one is small house. Here is two tree. Two tree are here. This one is what? Can you tell me? Big. What about this? Small. This one is big tree. This one is small tree. Here is ball. Here is also ball. There are two balls. Which one is big one? This one is big one and this one is small one. Here is two doggy. Two doggy. कौन बड़ा है बाबा? This one is big one and this one is small one. Now what we understand that this one is big one, this one is small one, this one is big one, this one is small one. This one, there is two flowers. Which one is big? This one is big and this one is small. Now you all understand now about big and small, tall and short. Now what you have to do? You have to complete the page number 3 and 4 in your book. Okay. Thank you.